Hi, welcome to Heather's Southern Thrifty Lifestyle. This video is going to be a Method products review. And these products were purchased at Target. And one of my favorite things about the Method products is that they're non-toxic. And on their website, they also have a list of ingredients that they don't use and why they don't use them. I've been using this brand for about a year now, and I really love the products. So before I get started with this review, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more. I also have a main channel, Heather and Baby Lillia plus Family. I'll have that link down below. I get my Method products from Target. They usually always have a really good deal going on. And I've tried all these products before for quite a while now, except for the dryer sheets. This was actually my first time picking these up. Of course, I've already used some, but they smell really great, and it's the fresh air. They have other scents too, but this was the one that I picked out, and you can smell it really well. It's actually a little strong, but not too strong. And let's see, I love this toilet bowl cleaner, and it's the spearmint scent, and it does work really well. And this wood cleaner, it is a little bit pricey, but it does work really well, so that's why I always get it. And it's non-toxic, cleans grease, grime, leaves a light shine. And the all-purpose cleaner, I really love that scent. It does kill 99.9% of household germs. And that's what it says right there. And it's great for kitchen surfaces, countertops, high chairs, doorknobs, and garbage cans. And this right here, I really love that apple scent. Non-toxic, cuts grease and grime. It's the all-purpose cleaner. And let's see. Oh, Spanish side. Alright, for counters, tiles, stone, wood, and glass. I really love this glass cleaner right here. It's ammonia free, and it leaves a streak free shine, and I've been using that for a while, but this is actually my first time. I forgot I got this, but they have a refill on the glass and surface cleaner, and I thought this was a really good idea to get because I go through a lot of glass cleaner. And also for the bathroom, removes soap, scum, cleans mold and mildew, and this does work really well. And I love that scent, and it's foaming. And it's showers, tile, fixtures, chrome, tubs. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know which product that you want to try or what's your favorite Method product. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.